Hello Wolf Pack. We're going to be on part 2 on the nature hunt. We are back building the fire up. My brother got a little, we had to end the video because my brother got a little scared and we had to let him in. But we're going to go back out there. Tell them what we found, guys. We found 3 things.
2 bugs.
We found a daddy longleg. We found a carpenter ant. I didn't get to show the carpenter ant because I dropped him. But one thing we did find is a huge snake skin. Where's he at? Tent? We put the snake skin in our tent. Alright, here's our tent. It's not going to rain, so we're just going to sleep with no rain fly tonight. Oh. But we caught a good 8-foot snake skin. Well, we didn't really catch it. We found it, I guess you could say. But who's ready to go find some more stuff?
Not yet. Still gotta make the fire bigger for when we get back.
Don't know about you guys, but I'm not gonna waste time. I'm gonna go find stuff. Okay, guys. Silent Wolf has found an earwig. Look at this earwig. He looks like he's sleeping. Here, let's wake him up. Let's wake him up. What happens when we wake him up? He's awake, he's awake, he's awake. Where is he? There he is. Guys, come look at this. Got earwig, that's 4th creature.
Ow.
Okay. Unlike some of my brothers, I'm not scared of the dark. So I have no problem being out here. Hey, another earwig. Sticking this little pincher out. He looks dead. He's dead. What's here? Ew, whole nest of earwigs up there. I don't like it. Don't like it. We'll get that on video tomorrow. Ew, here's a spider. There he is. Looks like it's a garter spider. Garden spider. That's what it looks like. Yeah. There's another earwig down there. Fenced-in camp. Plant there. Let's see what we can find. There's another earwig. Another earwig. I don't know what they think they're doing on our campsite. There's another one. I don't like holding them. Their pinchers kind of bugging me out, freak me out. Ew, there's another earwig there, and there's another one there. They're everywhere. What the heck? Guys, check out my cousin's YouTube channel. He was just here not long ago, and he is pretty dang brave. His name is Wolfer1992. He don't really do much outside in his videos, but he stayed a night in this tent with me yesterday, and he did nothing but jump over this fence and go find wood. He did a lot of stuff. So check out his videos. Pretty cool kid. I'm just saying, suggesting it. I'm gonna go see if we can find night crawlers in this. Actually, it hasn't rained, so we're probably not gonna find much night crawlers. What was that? I heard my brother scream something. Okay. Let's go over here. So, there's a new bug. It's a millipede. Where's he at? Oh, there he is. It kind of sounds like the centipede, so I'm not going to hold him, guys. Okay. It's just weirding me out a bit. Oh, there's another daddy long leg. Ew, earwigs. Earwigs everywhere. There's another, there's a little spider nest. Haven't seen one of those yet. Holy crap, what did that? What did that? Holy crap. What in the world? It's freaky. Tire? This is from last time we camped here, old fire pit, but you can see how it turned out. Not really that good. So, obviously we're using a different fire pit now. Bucket of water, always have one with you. When you go camping by a fire. Oh crap! Cactus weed. I hate those things when you run straight into them, they bite. Guys, I'd really like to find something like a June beetle or something to show you. Or a different type of bug. I want to find something like a dragonfly. Oh, tomorrow morning I can just show you guys wasp and stuff if you want that. Okay? There's another, oh, earwig. Earwig. Maybe you guys notice we're trying to kind of, ooh, that's a big daddy long leg. Holy. That thing, massive. Look at this. It's massive. Another freaking earwig. I don't know why, but my shadow is like coming up in the camera really big. What was that? Something jumped on my head. Earwig. Guys, I don't think we're finding that much. Thanks for watching though, guys. I appreciate it. Hope you enjoyed our night adventure. We'll have a morning adventure, guys. That is about 17 minutes recorded in for night adventure, guys. Goodbye.